Hello friends, I'm Rehana. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious sweet corn chicken soup. All the ingredients and their measurements will be given in the description box. Firstly, pour chicken stock into the pan. I have made a video showing how to make chicken stock. The link is given in the description box below. Add sweet corn to it and then add some crushed sweet corn. Then add the white portion of the spring onion. Then you can add shredded chicken. I have used the chicken from the chicken stock. Now mix well and let it boil for about half an hour on a medium flame. After half an hour, slowly add in beaten egg with salt in it. Keep stirring continuously. Now, to thicken the soup, add in a few teaspoons of cornstarch slurry. Make sure you only add 1 or 2 teaspoons at a time till you reach the desired thickness. This is the ideal thickness of the soup. Usually there is no need to add any extra salt or pepper since the chicken stock used already contains both. However, if you feel the need to add extra salt or pepper, then you can do so. I am satisfied with the amount of salt and pepper, so I am going to be leaving it as is. Now our delicious and nutritious soup is ready. We can serve it into a serving bowl. I am garnishing it with some spring onions. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for more yummy recipes like this. Take care and see you soon in another episode. Till that time, bye bye.